Kenya don't come out, they go produce electronic machine. In fact, Kenya, they tell you, say, they won't move. Come up from fuel. Anything we got to do with fuel. Say, in fact, they don't get time for fuel again. In fact, they don't want to receive fuel. Say, the only way they get time for now, now to do with it, now to follow, they want to enter the industrialization. So they don't produce their own machine where they use electronics, they charge them. In fact, this one good for those of us who never watch the video when they present the electronic machine. Oh yeah, take care.
To compare, when I used the petrol-driven motorbikes, I could save $20 in a month. Now with the electric bike, I can save about $80. Changing the batteries costs less than half of what I spent on fuel.
These people are not bringing the original spare parts. And if you find the original spare parts, they are a little bit expensive. So we would go for other cheaper spare parts that tear and wear very fast.
The biggest challenge will be making the prices competitive compared to the fossil fuel counterparts. So we know how affordable these are, but we are really working towards solving that by making sure that these bikes are built here, designed here by our engineers. Just overall makes it very, very much cheaper.
The big question is which kind of bike goes faster? And the best way to find out is with a race. The electric bike is quicker off the start line, it's got much better acceleration, and as it gathers speed, it certainly feels fast. And I'm holding a camera in one hand and clinging on for dear life with the other. But all of the riders we've spoken to are asking how quickly can these bikes become available.
You see, correct. I better put the Kenya president. I tell you, this guy, put the Kenya president. Okay, you be correct guy. In fact, your country dey move. In fact, now they develop. You not lead to this one. The summit, the educational conference summit where you go see go there, go do another one. In fact, they do better. I hear you, the correct guy. The correct guy. That conference, when our President Buhari go, so this guy go. But when the guy go, the guy use they sign health contract with international body. They call represented. For those of you whenever watch the video when they sign that one, the guy they sign now. Oh yeah, take him. You see, you see how they sign the contract with international bodies, with their own country, make them at least take over the health system within their country. When you get leader wey know what they do, they always they try to take advantage of every small opportunity we get. When everybody they go there, they go for another purpose. So if they go there, they think twice. Now be waiting this man do so. And when else you go, I bet put our president there, who be person of boo boo, put him. You see how people go the same place where you go. So on the same, they carry, they make contracts. They sign contracts with other countries. They go sign agreements with other countries. Make they go develop their own. Your own, na health you go for. Now when that man now, that Kenyan president now, if he reach the country now, he just what he go tell the people. And one what he want to tell us now. We dey wait. In fact, you know the way they come because, but this one we dey wait. Wait you go there, go do, God tell us. Then we still call here at least. Papa did when Papa goes somewhere, Papa did the way Papa what you bring. We dey wait. Not just they look me like that. Because they look me here. Not they look me here. They dress me. Me wey be your picker, they wait make you bring something come. They look me here. This your look, not they sweet me. Bring something come from that summit where you go. So that educational summit where you go. Bring something come. Then our conference have been a summit. Yeah, my papa go somewhere if they come. Go bring something. Maybe we dey wait for Bubu. I hear say they come back very soon. Let's go over to the other news, Joe. America don dey return Iraq artifact. You know those Iraq idols. When America see how they take, America don dey return them. In fact, we did the era of Operation Return People Property. Now we did now. Operation Return People Property. Germany don dey return the one of Benin. USA now don dey return the one of Iraq. So if you know say you thief anybody property, Operation Return People's Property now. People don dey return wetin they take from people. So you now go return. If you know say you take anybody something, go return. I hear now USA now don dey return the one of Iraq. They don return almost about 70,000 artifacts wey they collect from Iraq. For those of you wey never watch the video, when they take the talk am hard, they don return reach and many wey they won't see bring again. Oh yeah, take am.
وبالتنسيق والتعاون مع الجهات المعنية في الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية على استرجاع الآثار التي يتم ضبطها في المنافذ الحدودية أو التي يتم عرضها للبيع في المزادات هناك، والتي جمعت من خلال التنقيب العشوائي من المواقع الأثرية العراقية. تسليم 17,321 قطعة أثرية من الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. إصداد لوح آشوري من وزارة الأمن الوطني الأمريكي، والذي كان خاضعاً لإجراءات قانونية، ويؤمل استلام اللوح الشهير المسمى لوح قلقامش أو لوح الحلم خلال فترة قصيرة.
You see, with the operation return, if you know say you collect anybody property, return now. Anything where you take from anybody, return now. People don't return. Germany don't return the one of Benin. USA now don't return the one of Iraq. If you know say you be president of any country, all those world power like Russia, all those one. If you know say you take anybody, Gauss or idol or anything where you know, all those architecture, all those things, archaeological things, then maybe you pick them before or you just pick now, you know, return now, because with the operation return people's property. You don't hear. Go back to the other news, Joe. Yes, so now returning. Okay, now hear me go to stop for today. For those of you who never subscribe to my channel, wait till they wait for. Subscription are free. Subscription just be like where they say follow me on social media. Follow me for Facebook where they write follow me and I say CB. So, but this one YouTube call use the word subscribe now free. When you touch the word, that word where they say subscribe soon, me say na free. You know they collect money. YouTube not the deduct. You not get anything to do with your bank account. It just me say you be among my friends for YouTube. Just to be my friends for YouTube. So now just to touch that one, me and you go become friends on YouTube. So follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every news for Omega 123H. Now,